So next we have the left outer join with exclusion. And this is one of my favorite ways to find missing data. And what this is going to do, it's just like the left outer join we did before, but we're saying where the ID from table 2 is null. So that's going to say it's going to return all the rows from table 1 that don't match in table 2. So let's take a look at that. Left outer join with exclusion. If I highlight just the first part of it without the where clause, that's our basic left outer join that we did before, where we get everybody, including those who have favorite colors and those who do not have favorite colors. And if we wanted to just get a list of those people who don't have a favorite color, we can say where the ID is null, which that means this ID column, and it should only return Johnny and Karen in this case. There we go. So that's another way to look at everyone in table 1 who's going to be out of luck because they don't have a favorite shirt color or favorite color when they're getting t-shirts printed. Very handy when you're doing data validation or trying to fill in blanks to be able to go through and find out who's not matched there. Also, just a reminder, you can download the join types poster at stevestedman.com. And this is a poster I created a few years ago that just sort of shows how all the different joins that we're going to be covering through this presentation are done. It's handy to print out and keep on your cube wall or near your workspace.